Rightio. Bench seat number 4, 2 to go. Swamp carries timber. Ocean theme. Putting on 300 mils here. And just watch this. Timber and ocean edge come timber. Very important, always make sure you give your end grain a real nice coat. So always focus on the end grain. Come down the side. I wouldn't use, but try not to work the resin too much. You don't want to play with it too much. Otherwise you're going to aerate the resin. And that's the last thing you want to do. Trying to minimise the amount of air that's in the resin. We are trying to aerate it. There you have it. This will have in about another 3 more coats of epoxy. Just fill up all these little crack lines. The plan is to deliver the suite next weekend. Just got 2 more bench seats to go, which I was going to do today, but in all honesty, I think I'm just going to crack on and get some other stuff done that's way overdue. Maybe cut a video about doing bench seats and that sort of thing so far. And just go home and chill out with my lovely wife. And call my bestie Lynn. Oh my god, Lynn, you are my bestie. So, Lynn, my business partner in Mung and Walker, she's my bestie. We're besties. Aren't we, darling? We're besties. Anyway, cracking on. There you have another stunning Swamp Carry. Swamp Carry. Bench seat. Made by Resin Tables. Resins were limited. RESINZWOOD.com. If you're after any custom made, ocean, volcanic, whatever you can possibly dream up, bench seats or tables, make sure you give me a call. 021 966 387 Resin Wood Tables nz@gmail.com. Website resinzwood.com. But make sure you go through and check out our Facebook page where you can watch my really corny videos and reels and see all the cool stuff we do. Love you.